I'm going to do a quick walk around and then I'll do a video with starting it up. This will be a cold start. Hasn't been started in 6 days, and temperatures in the 30s, just so you know. This is a 77 911 Targa. In 87, it was rebuilt as a steel wide body, and also in 87 and 85 3.2 out of a Rec 911. Gauges and all were installed, and the car has been like it is since 87, paint and all. Doors pop fantastic, very tight, as is the car driving. Car was originally the copper brown metallic, which it still is under the hood and trunk engine bay area.